it's Marcella Friel here for Thyroid Refresh, and here is a thigh tip for you. I want to invite you to use EFT, emotional freedom techniques, or tapping to do what the founder Gary Craig called clearing your tail enders. So some of you have probably worked with affirmations, and you take an affirmation and you say it over and over again. But then there might be some subconscious part of you that doesn't quite believe that the affirmation can really be true. So I want to give you a simple tip for using EFT to clear that part that is resistant to the affirmation. So what you can do is take a journal page and divide it in half. And on the left-hand side, write the affirmation that you would like to manifest. And that could be something like, my body now heals itself quickly and effortlessly, or all the weight that I need to lose is releasing from my body right now. So choose a health-related affirmation that you would like to manifest. Write it on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, just write the very first thought, the very first resistant thought to that affirmation. So it could be like, oh yeah, sure, or no way, or are you kidding, or it's been so long, how could this possibly, whatever it is. So just keep writing back and forth like that. And at some point you will hit the bedrock of a core belief, and it could sound something like, I don't believe I can heal, or I don't deserve to heal, or people like me don't get to heal, or God is punishing me. I mean, you might find something really core that is in the way. So once you find that, you can rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how true it feels, with 10 being absolutely true. Write that number down. And then you can just simply use EFT to clear it. So you can start by tapping on the side of your hand, even though I have this belief that, and then state the belief, I choose to love and accept myself. And then just tapping around the points, stating the belief over and over again as you tap. And then just see what comes up in your consciousness. And just continue to follow that trail until you can say that affirmation and there's no resistance to it in your body. So I hope that that's clear. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to contact me at my website, marcellafriel.com. I also, in my book, Tap, Taste, Heal, Use Emotional Freedom Techniques to Eat Joyfully and Love Your Body, I have a whole section in that book about clearing your tail enders. So you can pick up your copy everywhere online books are sold, and get some real nuts and bolts instruction there as well. Thank you so much. It's Marcella Friel here signing off. Bye for now.
Hey guys, Ginny and Danna here. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click subscribe.
And we have a great free resource for you below, so click the link to get it. Thanks for watching.